Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to reset accessibility settings in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here, then scroll and search for the general management here. Now scroll down, go to reset, and scroll down. This will be a reset accessibility settings. So when you enter here, your accessibility settings will be reset to their default settings. So related settings such as keyboard and font size won't be reset. Accessibility sensitive is download app and won't be charging. Your personal data won't be affected. So you will reset it and place your pin and reset. Accessibility setting reset. So that's it for now about this reset. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.